Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. So it's a probability question. Given two different dice are thrown together, we need to find the probability of that number obtained. The numbers obtained have even sum and even product. We need to solve separately. So before that, if is given two dice are given, so we need to thrown two dice together. So one die has six numbers, so two dice means 1 to 6 and 1 to 6. So we'll get the numbers like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the second dice also we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we thrown together, so we need to write down the total number of outcomes. So if we thrown two dice together, we'll get the total number of outcomes as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. Also, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. And similarly we'll get 4 for 4 and 5 and 6 as well, like 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. The 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, and 5, 5 and 5, 6. And the last one is 6, 1. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So totally we have 36. So the total outcomes are 36. Here we need to find the probability of the number that have obtained even sum. So write down the possibilities of getting even sum. The possibilities of getting even sum, so we'll get even sum if we add two odd numbers or two even numbers. So the possibilities are 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, and we'll get 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Yes. And 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6. Also 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 2, 6, 4, and finally 6, 6. So these are all So if we add these two numbers, so if we add these points, we'll get even number. So the totally we have 18. So the possibilities of getting even sum out of this 36 are 18. Yep, 18. So finally, find the probability. Now find the probability of getting even sum. So the probability is equals to the favorable outcomes, which is 18, and the total outcomes are 36. So 18 divided by 36, so which is nothing but 1 by 2. So the probability of getting even sum is 1 by 2. Now find the probability of getting even product. First find the possibilities. Write down the possibilities of getting even product. So how we get even product? So if we multiply two even numbers, we'll get even numbers. Also some odd number into even numbers, like 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6. Similarly in the 2 series, 2, 1, 2. In 2 series, because 2 is the even number, so 2, 1, 2, 2, we will get all the 6 in 2 series. And then 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 6. Four, 1. In 4 series we'll get all 6 values, because 4 times of 1, it's like a table, 4 table, we'll get all the values. 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, as well as 4, 6. And in 5 we'll get only even values, 5, 2, 5, 4, and 5, 6. And finally in the 6th series, so we'll get all the 6 values, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, and 6, 5. Also 6, 6. See, we have 27 possibilities. So the probabilities, so or else write down the possible outcomes. So the possible outcomes are 27, and the probability of getting even numbers, the probability of getting even product, which is the favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes or possible outcomes are 27, and the total outcomes are 36. So 27 and 36 can be divided by 9, so we will get 3 by 4. So the probability of getting even product is 3 by 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.